how to use MD vinyl. So this is a pretty cool app widget for music. You can see it's trending on TikTok, it's trending on the App Store. Super simple app, but it has really cool layouts and super cool design. What is the main purpose of the app? Rediscover the essence of music with MD Vinyl, your digital gateway to the authentic experience of vinyl records. Immerse yourself in the sound and visuals right from your iPhone or iPad. MD Vinyl brings the rituals of physical music to the streaming era, allowing you to interact with the virtual turntable and vinyl record as you listen. Feel every note as you drop in the needle, rekindling a lost connection to your music in our digital world. Dive into a listening experience that's not just about sound, but a visual and auditory journey enhanced by album art and the design of records themselves. So they have this really cool widgets. So that's the main feature where you can just connect your Spotify and then just have either these widgets or like you can share songs with cards. You can preview it as kind of vinyl. I guess it works also on a lock screen, but let's just open it up. So here's the app. You connect your music library, and then here you see $10 lifetime deal, so pretty good. And then you just have this kind of nice layout, which you can then just go and see it like that. Then you have your playlist. Then you just can have different types of view. So basically, yeah, to get full access and all the features, you need to connect your music. I mean, I'm providing access to Spotify. Style, sound effect, you can change app icons, you can share it. I don't know. So check this out. So you can use this link. I don't know whether it gives you any any deals or anything, but feel free to use this link. So that's basically the idea. So all right, let's just try to add a widget in here. So I just tap and hold and try to add a MD vinyl. So here it appears, and then you have all the collection of all these widgets. Vinyl makes my world go round. You have pretty cool layouts, different types of widgets. So for example, I want to add this widget. All right, so as you can see, some types of widget are only paid ones. So you just need basically to upgrade to see like premium widgets. So, all right, so all widgets are locked in the app, unfortunately. So let's try again. So here's MD Vinyl. You can then again go and play it. You can see your albums. Spotify connection is expired. So you can connect both Apple Music and Spotify. So here you just need to either select one of those. So either Apple Music or Spotify. So you can't do both. You can also get one free, but then yeah, you can just reconnect. So for some reason I can't connect it. So all right, I will just swipe it up, and it's not opening up. So it's a bit weird. So seems I can't connect Spotify, and only Apple Music and Spotify. So that's basically what it is. I mean, for me, to be honest, it's a bit glitchy app, but it's a great idea. Either you want to have this really stylish widgets, or you really want to have this really nice layouts with, like vinyl playback. That's what this app is about. But yeah, as you can see, it's a bit glitchy. It's going viral on TikTok. I wish they will fix some bugs.